Hello, students. So what I'm going to be working on today is a jigsaw puzzle. And this puzzle contains the letter F. So as you can see, I'm moving my pieces around just so I can get situated and begin my puzzle. The first part I'll be looking at is I will be checking the patterns of the puzzle. So I can see here, can see the eyes. So I'm going to put this piece in the middle. Now I'm going to look for the next pattern that is similar to my middle piece that's in the center. So I'm going to take up this piece and see if it connects. Yep, it connected. That means the shapes are aligned. I'm going to move this piece in the middle again. Now I'm going to look for another pattern that is similar. So we connected the eyes, so we might see the mouth, and we're missing the fins and a few other pieces. So now I'm going to move ahead and click that as well. So that we have our right side of the fin. Now we're going to connect our left side of the fin. And I'm noticing that we still have a few other spaces to connect. It seems that we're looking, I can see here, that's the top part of the fish. Remember, you can move your puzzle piece in any direction. So I prefer to move it in the middle just so I can see my picture. Now, the full picture. I'm going to move this piece into, I purposely did that. Actually, I didn't, but I was looking and I noticed that that puzzle piece does not fit. It looks like it might, but this is going to play an important role later. I'm going to look for one that if you ever come across something like this, you want to look at the shape of your puzzle piece. And you can see that there's two open corners here. So I'm going to take this open corner and try it out. There we go. Wait, and here we go as well. Found another piece. I can tell by the grass and the letters. And then finally, you can also look at the shape of the puzzle piece, but also like really pay attention to the patterns and the picture you're trying to build. I've completed my puzzle piece, everyone, and thank you so much for taking this time to watch my video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and see you later. Oh, and by the way, this week we're working on the letter F, so please go ahead and try this on your own. Bye, see you soon.